So your online store is fully operational with the freshest product designs on the market. But why aren't any orders coming in to justify all the effort you've put in? Find the answer in this episode of Ask Printful. Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Printful. There's no point in having a perfect product if no one knows about it. That's why I've invited our very own head of marketing, Raitis, to share why content marketing is the key to letting the world know of your online store.
It doesn't matter how good your marketing is. It's not going to solve the problem that nobody wants to buy your product.
That is fair enough, but is content marketing specifically still relevant in 2022?
Yes, I think nothing has changed since, forever. Content it's almost everything you can imagine. People want to be entertained. That's probably where TikTok comes into the games. You want to be educated, so it's a chance for a company, for anyone to be an expert. They'll see it, they'll think differently about you or your company, and they will have some association again there as well. And there's another purpose of that. When you put content online, people search for that, and you get this extra discoverability. When you create content, you shouldn't think about, I will sell it, so that's why I'm creating content. Have to give additional value. If you give value, then those people can end up also becoming your customers, and basically you can achieve your business goal.
And what content types do you think are the most relevant right now?
It's actually depends on your audience. You have to always ask the question, okay, where my audience lives? Because when you think about marketing, your goal is to reach the potential audience who will likely become your customer. And if your audience is mostly youngsters, they consume a lot of TikTok. There's not so many things you can do on TikTok, it's just video. And if your audience is someone else, maybe he spends time on other networks, or he's usually searching somebody on Google or YouTube, then you create different type of content. So it all depends on the audience. You have to think what your audience needs. You will be discoverable and you will then reach your customer.
So what do you think are the most relevant marketing tactics right now? Maybe a top 3 or something?
Yeah, good question. First of all, it could be short video content. I think it's getting just shorter over the years because of the social media, and now the king is TikTok. So something you can quickly look at, be entertained, or you can quickly find a value. So that's number 1. Second is user-generated content. And the question is, how can you get the user-generated content, and why actually you need that? You can always film a fancy video or fancy photo shoot, but people want to see more from people like themselves. So you don't have to be fancy, you can just shoot a video with your phone, and then more and more people know how to do that because almost everyone is an influencer these days. So when you have to figure out a way how you can potentially ask from your customers that they send your pics or videos where you need. So you can do giveaways, I can reward them with coupons. And again, it will provide you extra visibility, because if he will shoot a photo, maybe he'll publish that also online, and you'll get this extra visibility from his channel as well. And the third thing is, social media should be shoppable. They should easily learn more information about the product, and ideally you can easily check out on the platform, that you don't have to leave, you can easily make the purchase there, make decisions there, so that you have all the information basically shoppable. And if you put an Instagram story, show that what's the product is, and Instagram allows that, and almost any social media channel rights provides that option.
Okay, those seem kind of also achievable, not just relevant for small businesses?
Yeah, 100%. As a business, we actually don't know what will work. Even now, we are playing around with TikTok. And you can see we try to post multiple times a day. Not everything will going to work. So maybe something will go viral and we'll get this extra visibility. Any small business can do that. I posted myself for my private social media account. It's easy. Now just do that for your business. Regarding UGC, user-generated content, I love to say, if you still don't have your customers, you can fake it till you make it. Use your phone and take a couple of selfies with you wearing the product, or ask your mom, ask your friend, and use that as a beginning for your ads, for your website. That content probably will work even better than a super expensive photo shoot or video shoot for your product. Like, everyone has camera, so it's just a matter of time, but you have to invest to actually achieve those things.
So let's say I've tried all of these things out and I'm getting some followers, but they're not converting into buyers. What mistakes am I making? Is there anything I'm missing?
You have to ask yourself, like, okay, who are these followers? If I'm offering t-shirts with fisherman design, you will not buy my product, so probably. And you need someone who loves fishing. I don't know if fishermen uses TikTok. Maybe they have some community. Maybe I can buy ads online and reach them there. Or maybe I can do a collab with some fisherman brand to actually reach down it. And basically you have to be really expert on the niche. Don't try to start a business because you want to start a business. Find the thing you're passionate about, and that all the other answers will come back into the place.
You sort of end up finding your audience.
Yeah, and probably you hang out with them even now with your friends. Just ask the questions, okay, what do you like? Who you follow on YouTube? Who you follow on TikTok? Then you can build your marketing strategy and you will understand them better, and then you will find them somewhere online, more people like them.
And does Printful offer any kind of resources to help our customers with marketing?
Yes, it's in our interest that anyone who starts using Printful actually succeeds, because if you don't have any sales, there's no business for us, because that's how our business model works. And we have a lot of information, like almost anything you can imagine. Printful Academy, there's a lesson for anyone from A to Z, how to start your print-on-demand store, actually get to your first sale. Have a lot of blogs, almost on any topic you can imagine as well. We have YouTube channel. We're actually watching this video, so we have a lot of videos there about almost any topic you can imagine. So you can easily get this information. You have to just find a time, watch it, read it, and implement that according to your audience, so you can actually launch your store and be happy when you get your first sale. We have a group on Facebook, Printful Insiders, only Printful registered users. So we have our community managers there as well, the audience there, and community is pretty helpful to each other. So you can ask the questions there, ask for tips, meet people like you who actually want to achieve the same thing.
And it's all kinds of people with different stores, with different niches. You can really find your own there.
Yeah, there's different niches, but you have to learn from others, especially myself as well. When running the Printful's marketing team, I love to learn from others. So it's just an option to ask questions and tickle your mind to find the right answer, find the right direction, and make the best decision possible to actually achieve your goals.
Okay, that was super informative. Thank you for coming and explaining all of these things to us. If people have any questions, where can we find you?
Add me on LinkedIn and ask questions here in the comments. I will find a time and answer them.
So, which one of these marketing tips did you find the most useful? And if you happen to be an ecom pro, comment down below with the marketing tips that worked for you. By the way, did you know that you can join our active community of print-on-demand sellers and learn more about e-commerce? Follow the link in the description and join our Printful Insiders group on Facebook. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.